Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed about water molecules H2O or hydrogen monoxide. Already we know that about H2O. So it is mainly available from number of components like a ocean, sea, or rivers, or lakes, or polar ice. Different types of lands or components. Today topic is like a structure of H2O. What is the structure of H2O? Overall, suppose for example, in H2O, central atom is oxygen. Central atom is oxygen. So how much electronic configuration? How much atomic number? So atomic number 8. We write the electronic configuration of oxygen, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Okay, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 is the electronic configuration of oxygen. So overall 2s2, 2p4 is the outer shell. We write so suppose ground state, it is a ground state. We write for orbital 2s orbital and 2p orbital. 2s orbital contain 2 electrons and 2p orbital contain 1 another pair. So in outer shell it's contain 2 pairs. Okay, 2 pairs and 2 single electrons. Okay, so how it is formed? Suppose here 2 hydrogen atoms are there. Each hydrogen atom contain 1 single electron. 2 hydrogen atoms contain 2 single electrons. That 2 single electrons is bonded with 2 single electrons of oxygen atom to form water molecules. Okay, so overall each hydrogen atom contain 1 single electron. Okay, overall atomic number 1. 1 is 1. Here how many hydrogen atoms are there? 2 hydrogen atoms. So 2 hydrogen atoms contain 2 single electrons. These 2 single electrons of 2 hydrogen atoms bonded with 2 single electrons of oxygen atom to form water molecules. Here listen, so overall here 2 lone pairs and 2 bond pairs. Just like these 2 pairs is participate in the bond formation, but remaining these 2 pairs is does not participate in the bond formation. Okay, so which pairs is participate in the bond formation? That pair is bond pairs. Okay, so here how many bond pairs? 2 bond pairs. 1, 2 bond pairs. At the same time, which pairs is does not participate in the bond formation? That pairs is called lone pairs. So lone pairs how much? 2. These 2 pairs does not participate in the bond formation. So 2 lone pairs and 2 bond pairs. Okay, so overall oxygen is the central atom. Oxygen is attached with 2 hydrogen atoms with 2 single bonds, and so oxygen atom contain 2 lone pairs. 2 lone pairs. So it is a bent structure or bent molecule between oxygen and hydrogen. Bond length 97 picometers. Okay, listen. Central atom oxygen. that oxygen atom attached with the two hydrogen atoms with the single bonds. So two lone pairs occupy on the space of oxygen. So it is a bent molecule or bent shape. How much bond length? 97.5 picometers, and at the same time overall it's contain 104°28' bond angle. Just like so, overall decrease the bond angle, because just like repulsion between bond pair to bond pair, lone pair to bond pair, lone pair to lone pair. Okay, here repulsion is very high. Repulsion is very high between bond pair to bond pair. Okay, bond pair to bond pair, and lone pair to bond pair, lone pair to bond pair. Next, lone pair to lone pair. These two lone pairs, that time repulsion is very high to decrease the bond angle. How much? 104°28' bond angle. Okay, so it is a structure of water molecule. So overall it contains sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. sp3. Okay, sp3 hybridization. Okay, simply water molecule sp3 hybridization with 104°28' bond angle. Overall it contains two lone pairs and two bond pairs. So bent shape or bent molecule. Okay, next further we have discussed about chemical properties of water molecules. So chemical properties of water molecule. Water molecule is reaction with a number of components. Okay, so now first of all, amphoteric nature. Amphoteric nature. Amphoteric nature means dual nature. So just like they are called dual sim means two. So here also amphoteric means dual nature. So mainly acidic nature as well as basic nature. Acidic nature as well as basic nature. Okay, so how it is possible? Suppose for example we have taken HCl, hydrochloric acid. Okay, so this hydrochloric acid reacts with the water molecules. To form in this reaction H3O plus and Cl minus. Okay, so HCl is reacts with the water molecule to form in this reaction H3O plus and Cl minus. H3O plus means hydronium ion. Cl minus means chloride ion. Okay, already we know that HCl is the hydrochloric acid and H2 is the water molecule. So in this reaction, HCl is give the proton to water molecules, and H2O is the accept the proton. Okay, accept the proton from HCl. So here it is accept the proton. It is so give the proton or donate the proton. Okay, so it is donate the proton. According to Bronsted law, which compound donate the proton, that compound is called acid. Which compound accept the proton, that compound is called base. So in this reaction, HCl is donate one proton to water molecule. H2O is accept one proton from hydrochloric acid. So listen, H2O accept one proton, it is converted to H3O plus. HCl is loss of one proton, so it is donate one proton, it is converted to Cl minus. Okay, so it is accepted, it is a base, Bronsted base, and it is a donate proton, it is Bronsted acid. So in this reaction, water molecules contain which nature? Basic nature. Okay, suppose we have taken another equation. Listen, it is a acid, it is a base. Suppose H2O, water molecules. These water molecules is reaction with the ammonia. Water molecules is reacts with the ammonia, NaH3. To form in this reaction, NaH4 plus and OH minus. Okay, NaH4 plus means ammonium ion. Okay, ammonium ion. So H3O plus means hydronium ion. So it is a hydronium ion. So it is a ammonium ion. So here hydroxide ion, OH minus. Cl minus means chloride ion. So in this reaction, water molecules donate one proton to ammonia. Ammonia accept one proton from water molecule. So it is acceptor. Okay, acceptor, accept the proton. So means it is the base. It is a donate the proton. It is acid. Okay, donate the proton acid, accept the proton base. So listen, in these two reactions, what is the concept? In this reaction, water molecules contain base. In this reaction, water molecules contain acid. Okay, so according to, it is very important, according to Bronsted law, which compound donate the proton or H plus ions to other compound, that compound is called acid. Which compound is accept the proton from two other, that type of compound is called base. So overall, amphoteric nature means dual nature. So acidic nature as well as basic nature. Water molecules contain dual nature, acidic nature and as well as basic nature. Okay, next further, so water molecules contain autoprotolysis nature. Okay, autoprotolysis nature. Autoprotolysis. What is the meaning of autoprotolysis? Suppose one water molecules is reacts with another water molecules. Okay, one water molecules is reacts with another water molecules. To form in the reaction, H3O plus and OH minus. H3O plus and OH minus. So in this reaction also, so water molecules is one is acceptor, one is donator. Suppose this H2O is donate the proton. So that time loss of H to convert OH minus. Okay, so overall H2O means H plus and OH minus. Okay, these H plus donate to H2O, it is converted to H3O plus, but remaining OH minus. Okay, so next further, these water molecules is accept one proton. Suppose for example H2O plus H plus, it is converted to H3O plus. Okay, so this H2O accept one proton, it is converted to H3O plus. This H2O donate the one proton, it is converted to OH minus. So here in this reaction, water molecules contain acidic nature as well as basic nature. Okay, acidic nature as well as basic nature. So autoprotolysis means one water molecules is reaction with another water molecules to form H3O plus and OH minus ion. Okay, so this it is called autoprotolysis. Overall, these water molecules is reacts with a number of different types of components. Suppose for example, it is reacts with the sodium metal. So sodium metal or magnesium metal or potassium metal. Suppose we have taken sodium metal. This sodium metal is reacts with water molecules to form in the reaction sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Okay, so 2Na plus 2H2O gives rise to 2NaOH and hydrogen gas. Okay, so it is overall sodium is converted to sodium hydroxide in the presence of water molecules. Okay, so suppose for example it is reacts with the fluorine also. So it is reacts with the fluorine also. Suppose fluorine is reacts with the water molecules. Fluorine is reacts with the water molecules to form in the reaction overall 4HF hydrogen fluoride and next O2. Listen, 2F2 4 fluorines, 2H2 4 hydrogens, it is converted to 4HF hydrogen fluoride. Next 2O O2. Or suppose we have taken F2, highly quantity of F2, it is reacts with 3 moles of water molecules. That time it is converted to hydrogen fluoride and O3. So in these reactions formed oxygen and ozone. What is the formula of ozone? O3. Okay, so here to overall 3F2. 3F2 means 6 fluorines, 3H2 means 6 hydrogens. So total 6HF hydrogen fluoride, remaining 3O O3. So when fluorine reacts with different types of moles of water molecules to form in this reaction hydrogen fluoride, at the same time oxygen and ozone. Okay, so further we are discussed about remaining chemical properties further class. Okay.